What's up, guys? Welcome back to English City, where we teach you how to improve your level of English. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you about the modal verb can. Can is one of the most common modal verbs in English. We use can and can to talk about ability and possibility. We also use can for requests and permissions. Can is a modal verb. Modal verbs are followed by an infinitive without to. We always begin with the subject I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, and they can. Note that with modal verbs, we do not say he can't or she can't like we do with other verbs. With modal verbs can stay the same for all the subjects. Let's look at some example. Louis can swim really fast. I can't come to your wedding next weekend. Can you help me with something? Can I go to Javier's house tomorrow? We are going to talk about how to use can or can't with ability, possibility, request, and permissions. First, let's talk about can or can't with ability. So as we said before, in the affirmative form, we start with subject plus can. For example, Liam can ride a bicycle. This means that Liam knows how to ride a bicycle. They can speak Italy. That means the people know how to speak Italy. I can play the guitar. It means I know how to play the guitar. Can't is short form for cannot. So let's make each of these affirmative sentences negative using can't. Liam can't ride a bicycle. They can't speak Italy. I can't play the guitar. Know how do we make question using can? We don't say do I can. We say can I? Can you? Can she? Can he? Can it? Can you play the guitar? Can Liam ride a bicycle? Can they speak Italy? Can I play the guitar? It's quiz time. Let's complete the sentences. A shark can swim. A child can't drive a car. A chef can cook. Thanks for watching us, guys, and don't forget to subscribe us.